All right, so you're working in Revit, you're not sure what to do, how to accomplish something that you want to accomplish, and simply just go to Grok and say, I want to do X, Y, or Z. I'm using this version of Revit. Give me step-by-step screen captures of the walkthrough to accomplish what I want to accomplish. And Grok prints out step-by-step instructions to tell you how to accomplish what you want to accomplish, which is nice because you don't have to watch somebody else's video and watch their commercials, listen to the all the things that they say, like I'm speaking right now. This is filler for the actual meat and potatoes of the content that you're interested in. So very simply, go to Grok, ask it to tell you step by step how to do something and show you step by step screen captures, and it tells you one by one how to accomplish it. It could not be easier.